Okay, so this customer has been saying that they are hearing running through the soffit in this section down here, this smaller section. We have treated this place for rodents in the past. We put up some exclusion, we put out bait stations, and for a long time it was very successful, but now they're saying they're hearing the noise again. So we're going to take a look at the old exclusion. We're going to take a peek at this lower portion of the roof here to see if there's any entry points and see if we can figure it out. Yeah, this was an entry point before that got covered. Actually, this had a door on it for a while. And there was another spot over here that was for sure an entry point. Very big gap that ran right up underneath the entire place. So we sealed that off. And they're saying they're hearing the running up through this soffit area. So we're gonna see if we can't get a look on this roof. Probably have to throw on the headset and crawl up there. So right here we can stand up here. And you can tell this hasn't been built very well, but there's no clear-cut entry point right here. That whole area is completely smothered in ice, so we know it's not going to be the fascia, at least not on this side. But these intersections here are saying oh, that's sealed up too. But there's wood. That's very tight. It doesn't look tight, but it is. There's wood. Yeah, that runs right, and the soffit's just pasted to it. So this intersection is good, even though it looks like it has a bit of a vulnerability. It's actually good. So you can see the one tack nail's been pulled here at the bottom. And if they get up in here, they could travel kind of downward into that space. Okay. Okay. I'm gonna have to take another look at the base level of this thing, but that up there may very well be our answer. Okay, so here we're gonna do a rebate to a couple of exterior stations we got out here. So this has minor feeding in it, but overall pretty good. This one has more feeding, mostly the resolve. So this here being the resolve, and then that is the finished product.